Hey YouTube, this is my Haro X2. I got new grips for it. I got the Vans Call orange grips for it. They're pretty good, pretty soft. Put my original Haro bar ends in it because the ones that were in it were junk. The ones that came with the grips. Original bars. Stock brake lever, animal cable. I'm missing a little piece for it. I gotta get it. Stock fork, stock rim, not stock tire because I didn't like the tire that was on it. More of a dirt tire, so I put a straight tire on it. Original frame, stock stem, stock everything. Aftermarket seat post. It's shorter, a different seat clamp, or seat holder, whatever it is, seat clamp, stock. I got tape over my seat tube so that way cable doesn't scratch it up. You know, stock chain on it, stock sprocket, stock cranks, pedals are stock. I'm thinking about getting new ones, either orange like the grips or hot pink or electric blue or something like that, purple maybe. Stock tire. Rim is not stock. The rim that I had, the bearings blew out in it, like if you see my other video. So I sent it in and they gave me a whole new rim for 75 bucks. My original stock cassette or freewheel or whatever you want to call it. Brakes, stock brake caliper, nice rim, chrome hub, chrome spokes, opposite of the front, it's all black. I got this cable holder on it. The bike's pretty nice. I like it. The grips on it are pretty comfortable, but I want to get new pedals for it. Don't know what color. Either orange, pink, purple, blue. I'm not sure yet, but let me know what you think. Oh, not stock bolts. Other one's stripped out. So, thanks for watching. Let me know. See ya.